Paano at saan ba dapat isuot ang gold? Gold morning mga madam! Hindi lang basta suot, dapat alam mo kung saan at paano ito isuot para mas powerful ang dating at dalang energy. Maraming nagsusuot ng alahas na basta-basta lang. Pero kung gusto mong ma-maximize ang benefits, spiritual man or aesthetic, may tamang placement, style, at intention sa pagsuot ng ginto. Left hand is your receiving hand. Kung gusto mong maka-attract ng love, wealth, and energy, dito mo isuot ang bracelet or rings. Right hand is your giving hand. Ideal if you're manifesting success, leadership, or confidence. What pendant to choose? Heart for love and emotional balance. Cross or religion symbols for protection and guidance. Minimalist coin or medallion for wealth and status. Gold pendant close to your chest are believed to attract whatever energy it symbolizes. Stud versus tic-tac earrings or dangling earrings. Studs are subtle and good for daily wear. Tic-tac or dangling earring add movement associated with feminine energy, expression, and presence. Choose this if gusto mong mapansin or mag-shine sa crowd. This is Madam Gold Digger reminding you, hindi lang yan alahas, yan ay extension ng sarili mo. Whether you wear it on your left for attraction or right for action. Make it meaningful, choose pendants that represent your desire and styles that empower your identity. Next time you wear your gold, tanungin mo muna ang sarili mo. Saan ko ba gusto ng energy today? Just don't wear it to decorate. Wear it to activate. This is Madam Gold Digger teaching you to wear your wealth and wisdom.